Alright, boys, got a trade recap from the trade that I took Friday. I completely forgot to upload a recap for it, so here we are. Unfortunately, my trade sync bugged out, and this only went across one account, which is why the P&L was so low. So made around $800 on the one account. The other two accounts, they are suffering because they didn't get in on this trade. Unfortunate, it is what it is. I think I'm going to reset my Tradeify eval. Just because it's pointless me even trying to recover with $130 drawdown. So I may as well just reset that bitch and get back to trading like normal. Anyways, slightly changed up the style of trading. Still the same model, this and that, but I'm trading from 130 now. And also I've implemented another entry model, or two other entry models, depending on what the scenario is that's going on. So on Friday I took my CISD model, and we'll go over that in a sec. So high time frame bias was very clear that we were coming lower. We've been dumping all day through the AM session, respecting bearish PD arrays, and we had relative equal lows here. And if we zoom out to a weekly chart, we had this weekly draw on liquidity here. So going from the 4-hour chart, this is our high time frame market maker sell model through here, right? So zooming in now to the 15-minute, going from the 4-hour to the 15. I needed to see a 15-minute gap get rebalanced to. Either that or we come up to the hourly and then I zoom into a 5-minute and then look for 5-minute structure, but I can go from a 15 to a 1. So if we have a look at ES, I'm in bar replay right now, just so I don't have to look at all the other price action that's happened today. Alright, so let's play this shit out. Let's go into a 1-minute. I was waiting for the 15-minute to get rebalanced to. ES traded up in there. NQ failed, so we had a bearish SMT. So the model consists of SMT, IFVG, CISD. That's all I was waiting for. So you can see 130 opens here. We end up ripping up, manipulation at the highs, and then great displacement to the downside. So I was in short there, looking to go break even at this internal low, and then hold it down to these relative equal lows. On top of that, I was struggling to find an area to take profits because this was a 3.5 hour trade. So I was happy to take partials, and I did at this 30-minute intermediate low. So this would have been the soup of the 30-minute gap. So that was first take profit. All right. Oh shit. Playing price out. Ended up coming into a bit of drawdown. Ended up holding this 1-minute gap, which is exactly what I wanted to see. So this was like super textbook A plus sell model, and this is the expansion as well. So really confident on this. I was actually looking to scale in if we traded into this 1-minute gap here, because we've had a rebalance and then we have a shift back lower through the swing low. So we have market structure shift, pull back to the gap. I wanted to scale in more contracts and trail a stop to this internal high. Didn't end up doing so. We ended up just selling off to the break-even point and then take profit 1. And then just a harsh then sell off all the way to TP. So pretty simple stuff. This is a quick recap. So yeah, we're back to trading this week. Haven't actually checked news. I might do that now actually, while we're here. And I'm going to reset that Tradeify eval, and then we can get rocking with 4 accounts again. Alright, it's a no news Monday. Tuesday, no news. I'm pretty sure we got CPI Wednesday. Yeah, CPI Wednesday. Thursday, PPI. Alright, so we got some news this week, so today might not be that bad. It is a no news Monday, so we'll just stay patient and wait for everything to align. But yeah, nonetheless, that is the trade recap on how I made $800. It was 305 handles, 3.5 hours, so we take those all day. Alright, I'll see you later for a market recap or a trade recap.